Hi student, today we are going to see brainstorming of the poems Indian Weaver. See, let us see brainstorming activities. Discuss with your partners about the following occasions. See, here are four occasions are given: weaving, tailoring, knitings, embroidery. We have to discuss in the group or with the partner these occasions. Weaving, in that there should be the points for the discussions. Handlooms weaving, the second most wider spreads occupations next to agriculture. This will be the point for the discussion. Each region of India has its typical yarn style and fabric. India is tropical. People like to wear cotton. Silk from different regions of India are prized by women worldwide. These are the points for the discussions for occupation, weaving or occasion. Second, B. Tailoring. In that points, a tailor can make someone a star with styles and fitting. While discussing, we may use this point. Next point, can have owns machines and stitch clothes according to client's needs. This is the quality of tailoring or the tailor. Could be under a designer's creating high fashion garments. Could be under a fashion house labels working at computerized machine. They create those trending fashions worldwide. These are the points for the discussions you may use. Then 19, in that occasion, the points are: knitting is weaving with two needles with woolen yarn. Many women are skilled. Women in colder regions do knitting to make warm clothes for the family. Knitting is done on machines too. Then last one, embroidering. In that there are the points. Embroidery needs skillful fingers and patience. From handkerchiefs to wall hangings are laboriously made with silk threads and tiny needles or tiny needles. Embroidery we can do with the silk threads and tiny needles. Many other beautiful things like tablecloths, dress collar, saris edge, bed cover, and cushion shoes. These are there are done the embroidery. Then machines embroideries also is done. That means we can do embroidery with the machines. These are the discussing points with your partner. Then activity 2, discuss with the various products made by the viewers in the poem. See, here are the products made by the viewers in the poem. These are robe for newborn, marriage veil for a queen, shroud for the dead. The words in the three stanza of the poems mention different times of a day. Complete the table. Time of the day, words, phrases, viewers' work. Early morning, break of day. Viewers' work, Viewers view robes for the newborn child. Late in the evening, fall of the night, works viewers view works. Marriage veil for a queen. Cold night, moonlight chill. Shroud for the dead. This is the work. Viewers work. Then in that the third one, the poems reveals three phases of life. Fill in the blanks with feelings and colors appropriate to the phases of life. One is done for you. See, newborn child, youth, adulthood, old age, and death. Color blue. Youth, adulthood, purple and blue. And old age or death, the terms there is the color white color. Then feeling, hopes and expectations. Youth, adulthood, feelings, active and productive, and old age, death, peace, rest and salvation. Then fourth one, complete the viewer's view in the chill moonlight. See, complete the viewer's view in the chill moonlight. White as feather, white as cloud, we wave a dead man's funeral shroud. Then pick out two words used to describe the viewers in the last stanza. Also state their importance. See what we have to do. Pick out two words used to describe the viewers in the last stanza. In the last stanza, you may see there are these two. In the last stanza, Solomon and steel, these two words used for the describing viewers. So Solomon and steel, the occasions was Solomon and the viewers' moods matched it, so they did their work in calm and dignified manner. Then sixth one, express your views about the present condition of viewers. Now in that you have to yourself express your opinion or your views about the present condition of the viewers. Then seventh one, describe in your own words the step or measures that can be taken to solve the problems of the viewers. In that, in your own words, you have to discuss the step or measures that can be taken to solve the problems of the viewers. Which steps or the measures we can take to solve the problems of the viewers. You have to describe that in your own words. Then say at one, express your own views and opinion from the viewer's point of view and complete the following table. See, stanza, activity done by viewers and view opinion. First stanza, robes for a newborn child. Your opinion, the viewers feel happy and hopeful because birth symbolizes a new beginning. Then second stanza, activity done by viewers for while for queen. The opinions, they feel active, prosperity, productivity. And third stanza, shroud for dead man, views opinion of the viewers. Solomon and steel as death is sad and an end. Then activity 3 in first, pick out the rhyming words from the poem. Which are the rhyming words from the poems? You may write there. Day, guy, wild, child, then night, bright, green, queen, still, chill, cloud, shroud. These are the rhyming words from the poem. Then give antonyms and synonyms of the following and make sentences of your own. You have to make your own sentences. The words and antonyms and sentences you have to yourself create. New antonyms, old, and we have to make the sentence of your own, like that. This man is old person. Bright, dull, opposite word. Dead, alive. Still, opposite word, moving. Wild, domestic. Fall, stand, get up. Child, adult. With the help of that words, you have to make your own sentences. Then synonyms words for the new, that is modern, current. Bright, shining, clever. Dead, expired, deceased. Then still, motionless. Then wild, untamed, fierce. Fall, synonyms words, drops, descent, plumped. And child, synonym word, youngster, boy, girl, baby, toddler. These are the synonym words. Then make a words register for clothes, attire, dress. See, outfit, grab, costumes, apparel, garments. Then where here we have to write the word register for clothes. Out, grab, costumes, apparels, garments, wardrobe. Then formal wear, ensemble, casuals wear, sports wear, etc. Complete the following table. Activity 4. Figure of speech line. See, simile. You may write from the simile, that is blue as the wings of Halcyon wild. This is in that line there is the simile. Then next one, imagery. 3 stage of life, 3 garments, different colors denote different aspect of life. Metaphor, alliteration. Example, the line alliteration, weavers, weaving, Solomon and steel. These are the alliterations example. Then imaginary, white as feather and white as cloud. There is also simile and imaginary imagery. So you may write these example lines there. Then the rhyme scheme in the first stanza is AB AB. Find rhyme scheme in the second and third stanza. There is also AB AB rhyme scheme. You have seen the rhyming words, same there are. So see AB AB. Night, bright, AA. Green, queen, BB. Still, chill, AA. Cloud, shroud, BB. So there is the rhyming scheme AA BB. The poet has asked a question at the beginning of every stanza. Explain the effect it creates on the readers. See, what is here as given? The poet has asked a questions at the beginning of every stanza. Explain the effect it creates on the readers. Readers feels he is present on the scene. This is the reason behind that. Write an appreciation of the poem. You have to write your appreciation of the poem. Then compose 4 lines on importance of clothes. You have to write here importance few lines or 4 lines of importance of clothes. Write an appeal to use handlooms products in our daily life. Hmm? We have to use the write the handloom products, appeal to uses of handloom products in our daily life. Then visit a handlooms factory near your locality and write a report of it. You have to visit your near factory, handloom factory, and you have to write the report about that. Then a handicraft exhibition is being organized in your village. You are given the task to compare the inaugural functions like the script for comparing. You are the announcer or compare of the inauguration function, and there is the handicraft exhibitions organized in your college, and you have to uh, you are the anchor or compare, and so you have to write the script for the anchoring or comparing. Activity last 6 1 that is go to your college library and collect and read the poems written by Sarojini Naidu. It's the activity for you. Then section second one, find various career opportunity in small scale industries like handloom, art and craft, blocks, printing, etc. Then last one, find out information about the Mahavastra of Maharashtra, Paitani. You have to find out information about the Mahavastra of Maharashtra, Paitani. Paitani, about the Paitani, we have to collect the information. In this way, we have seen the brainstorming activity of the poem Indian Weaver. Thank you.